Hello friends, today I have come up with this new way of draping a sari, that is infinity drape. Infinity drape is a drape where you don't know where the start of the sari is and where the end. So let me show you this drape. So take a normal sari or 6-yard sari, start draping it from the right as you drape it normally. Complete this round by tucking and come back to the position from where you started draping. After that, go straight to the pallu end and start making pallu pleats, not in a usual way. Like you can start pleating from the left side as normal, but this time the wrong side of the left should be up and you should end up keeping the right side of the fabric up on the right side. So arrange the pallu pleats neatly this way. Your pleats after pleating like this will open up from inside and not from outside as it usually does. You can see the difference. Keep on pleating and once you get a long length like 4 inches above the ground, just pin it at its length and then place it on the left shoulder from behind like this. Now check if your pallu that you have taken is right or no by bringing it around and bringing it again on the left side of the waist. Once you know the pallu length is fine, start making the bottom pleats. Leave some cowl and then start making the pleats in the usual way. And just pleat it till the end like this, till your right side is fixed completely. Now turn it around to your left side and pin it up and place it right at the center of the navel after arranging the pleats. The right side of the fabric has to be tucked in neatly and straight. Now let's do the upper pleats. Bring out the innermost pleat like this. Spread it in the front and bring it forward from behind to your left and pin it at the center of the navel. See to it that you don't bring it over the pallu but under your pallu. Fix your pleats to the blouse by pulling it up so that it becomes tighter enough. And your infinity drape is ready. Hope you like this drape. Do try it out. It's a unique drape which can make you look slimmer and classy at the same time. Thanks for watching.